Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of January the 11th to the 17th. We're looking at deals curbside and we're looking at deals in store. $1.88 per unit is the cheapest price I have, and that is a stock up price. Okay, so the first couple deals that we're looking at are curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left hand side with the green check, putting in your order, paying for it, driving to the store. You know the drill, but that's how you do it, and that is what a curbside deal is. So the first one is curbside, and for this one, you're going to need your two best friends loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend 30. Hopefully you have that one, and if you didn't use it already and you want to get some cheap paper, this is the deal for you. So you're going to load this friend. And then there's another one, which is a 5 back when you buy two P&G cleaning items. And you're going to laugh, but actual paper is part of this promotion this week, which is kind of bizarre, but it is a cleaning product, especially toilet paper. Okay, so the first two P&G cleaning products are these 6 count of the Bounty double rolls for $12.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon. Just go right below this product in the app or type in Bounty paper towel and it should populate that $2 coupon. And then the other P&G cleaning product is this 9 counter of the CHARMIN toilet paper for $12.99, and it has a $2 digital coupon again, so make sure you load that. Now we're trying to get to a $30 basket to use that booster, so we're going to throw in two of these Scott paper towel. We've been talking about this deal all week, that when you buy 4 you get $3 back in Walgreens cash, which is really fantastic. And we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, so 2 of the toilet paper and then 2 of these paper towels, and load that second coupon. And then just to show you guys the absolutely beautiful chorus line, like look at all those manufacturers. You got $8 right there. And then using the code WAG10, an additional $3.30 is melting off. So the overall total is $40.98, subtracting $3.30. We're at $37.68. So for the spend 30 to earn back 10, you are there. And we also have an additional $8 in manufacturers melting off. So with tax, you're going to pay the $31.94 with your debit card or credit card. Do not use Walgreens cash, and you're awarded back 18 bucks. 5 for P&G, 10 for the booster, an additional 3 for the Scott. So after everything is said and done, not factoring in the tax, it's like $1.88 per unit, which is a really great price point, especially for the fancier P&G paper products. Okay, the next deal that we're doing again is curbside. And for this one, if you are just like, hey, I can't do a large out of pocket this week, it's too much out of pocket, I understand. So this is probably the best way to do this paper deal, and I think everybody should do it. It is to throw in 2 of these Scott's toilet papers, load that 2 off 2 coupon, and then 2 of the paper towels, again, load the 2 off 2 coupon. Usually they never give us $4 in digital coupons for a deal like this, and it's on a promotion that when you buy 4, you're awarded back $3 in Walgreens cash. And you will get that after you pick up your order. With these bulkier paper orders, try and get to the store right away, so it's just not in the way where employees will trip over it in that photo section. Just to show you the chorus line, 2 and then $1.10 with WAG 10. Alternatively, if you want to do this deal in store, that's cool, but that extra $1.10 from WAG 10, you will not get it if you're doing this deal in store. So looking at the card again, it's $15, subtracting that $1.10 and our $4, it's $10.73. If you wish to use 10 bucks in Walgreens cash and pay 73 cents, you're going to get your $3 back. And this is called a really smart deal. And paper products do not go bad. It's a great thing to stock up on in these winter months. The next curbside deal that I have prepared for you, guess what's back at $3.99? The toilet paper and paper towel by Walgreens. Very similar to Sparkle or Angel Soft. It's a very good meat and potatoes generic paper towel, and we do use this in our household, so I think it's really great. And for this basket, I'm throwing in 3 of the toilet papers, and then 3 of the paper towels. If you have pets and you're cleaning up little messes every other day because that's what they do professionally, it's always great to have that extra paper towel, even if it's something like Sparkle. And then just to show you, the code WAG10 is taking $2.39 off. So doing these deals curbside, you're just saving a little bit more money. Doing this deal without a booster, $23.94, subtracting WAG10, which is $2.39. A little bit of tax there, $22.84. If you might have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it, pay $2.84, and call this a very good deal. And because you have 6 units of paper, try and get to the store just to be a courteous shopper so it's not living there rent-free for hours and hours and hours and days. Now we're back to in-store deals. They involve register reward, so you have to be in store. $9.99 for the Scott's 1000. These are 12 counts. $3 reward when you purchase 2. Now with this one, you have to do it in store, and you can't do it curbside for whatever goofy reason. It's not part of the promotion. Now, you're going to load this friend, which is the 2 off of 2. So pick and choose wisely which paper deal you wish to do. And then just following this, 2 of the products at $9.99 a piece. That's $19.98. Subtracting that 2 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $17.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $14.98 for the 2, or $7.49 per 12 pack. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And the Scott's 1000 is a single ply toilet paper, not everybody's favorite, but typically a 12 pack will last our upstairs bathrooms about a month. So it's a very good toilet paper, and we use it all the time in our household. My husband loves it. The final deal that we're doing in store is to grab 2 of these Kleenex 3 packs. They're 2 for $10. You're saving just under $4, which is some not bad savings. Plus we have a $1 digital coupon to go with. And then in that same section, there's this 8 count of these Walgreens facial tissues. You can't call them Kleenex because that is a brand name, believe it or not. It's called facial tissue. This is $1.99 with a 50-cent store coupon, making it $1.49. And these are the coupons that you're going to load: the dollar manufacturer for the Kleenex, and then that 50-cent store coupon for that 8 count of the facial tissues. You could throw those in your purse. They're fantastic. So grabbing 2 of the Kleenexes for $10, and then 1 of the Walgreens tissues, that little 8 counter, for $1.99. The total is $11.99. Subtracting $1.50 in digitals, you're paying $10.49 for the 3. And that is a really good stock up price, especially with cold season in full swing. It's always great to have extra Kleenexes. And if you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. $10 would be perfect. That's it for this video. If you want to see more curbside deals, watch yesterday's, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.